Thank you for your interest in the California Autism Professional Training and Information Network. This network is the culmination of several years of planning and a vision to unify our state around a common set of evidence-based practices for individuals affected by autism. Our efforts began in 2008 when the Center for Excellence in Developmental Disabilities at the UC Davis Mind Institute convened an interagency autism planning group consisting of representatives from the California Department of Education, the Department of Developmental Services, the Family Resource Centers, the University Centers of Excellence in Developmental Disabilities, the Special Education Local Plan areas, and regional centers from across the state. The intentions of this group were to identify potential means to put into action some of the goals and recommendations outlined in the California Legislative Blue Ribbon Commission and the State Superintendent's Autism Advisory Council reports. The Interagency Autism Planning Group focused our efforts on training and the use of evidence-based practices. We developed a vision to provide statewide access to trainings in a set of accepted or agreed to evidence-based practices, using a trainer-of-trainer model that could then be disseminated at the local level. In addition, we wanted to provide a statewide network to allow for ongoing communication and collaboration about new and relevant issues in autism treatment and services. In 2009, the Interagency Autism Planning Group learned about and applied for the National Professional Development Center for Autism Spectrum Disorders Training and Technical Assistance Grant. This Office of Special Education funded project provided us with a set of evidence-based practices validated by research that were identified and verified by national leaders in the field of autism. California was awarded 2 years of training and technical assistance from the MPDC during the 2010-2011 and 2011-2012 school years. As part of the MPDC project, we identified trainers and coaches from the state diagnostic centers, participating SELPAs, and regional centers, and recruited 6 demonstration sites that represent our diversity and variation of service delivery from across the state. All personnel involved in the MPDC project completed the online Foundations of Autism class through the University of North Carolina and participated in summer intensive training institutes to further increase their knowledge and understanding of how to use the MPDC tools and resources. The trainers, coaches, and demonstration site teams also participated in monthly technical assistance calls with the MPDC staff. 3 students were selected from each demonstration site, and appropriate evidence-based practices to address these students' needs were identified. Staff were trained on the evidence-based practices using the MPDC training tools. Goal attainment scales were developed and used to monitor student progress. Fidelity of use of the identified evidence-based practices were measured using the MPDC implementation checklists. Here is a summary of the MPDC ASD project outcomes from 2008 until 2012. Following the MPDC project, our demonstration sites joined with our Interagency Autism Planning Group to prepare for the statewide dissemination of these evidence-based practice tools and resources. The California Autism Professional Training and Information Network, CAPTAIN, was established to serve as a vehicle for this statewide dissemination. We have worked with the SELPAs, regional centers, family resource centers, and family empowerment centers to identify key personnel and leaders in the field to become a part of this network. We developed a website where key vetted resources can be accessed at no charge. In October 2013, we convened a 2-day summit where over 300 CAPTAIN cadre members were trained. In addition, local collaboration and training plans were established between the SELPAs, regional centers, family resource centers, and the universities. This coalescing of stakeholders provides a platform for effective communication, collaboration, and partnership that can be carried out at a local level. Welcome to CAPTAIN.